today we got mail. So I ordered this a few weeks ago. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. So I've been wanting one of these for quite a while, and I found one on eBay that was actually a pretty good price. So I thought I'll finally buy one. And with how the F1 season is going at the moment, I think it was a good time to buy it. So as everyone knows, I'm a big Red Bull fan. So after looking on the internet for quite some time, I thought, let's do it. Geez, they packaged it really well. Alright, and here we go. So it's a 2019 Aston Martin Red Bull Max Verstappen's F1 car, which was quite convenient considering that on the weekend I just saw the exact same car down at Melbourne Central. So let's remove the junk and have a look and see what it looks like opened. What's this? Ooh, a wine voucher. Just what I always wanted. I don't drink wine. But we'll put that to good use. Or it'll become a Christmas present. But I didn't say that. Okay, so let's have a closer look. So it's a 1/18 scale mini champs. So I had a look at a few other brands, but what I noticed with the mini champs compared to the Spark version, a lot of the logos were different. So if you have a look online, things like the mobile logo is quite different, and there was a few other little, I think the Esso logo was also different, so I thought stick with this one. So it's the 2020 GP Abu Dhabi, which is where Max got the first place. Overall, like the box and the packaging is really nice. So apparently it's a limited edition, which I didn't know, but apparently there's only 660 pieces. That's the back of the box. So I'll take it out of the box, but usually I like to keep all the boxes when I buy things, just for later on in case I want to store them or sell them. So we'll open it up and we'll take it out and we'll see what it looks like inside. yeah, what I like about the mini champs is just the attention to detail is amazing. So it's on a hard plastic base as well as a hard plastic side. So it looks like there's a few screws in there. But everything looks pretty accurate, even down to the colour. Sometimes with these the colours can be a bit off, but everything seems really good. Another issue I noticed with the Spark version was that all the logos were stuck on. Well, these looks like they've been applied with heat, so you don't get the silhouette around it. But what I'll do, I'll go and get a screwdriver, because it looks like I need a few things to open to take it off the base. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I just went to the garage to grab a screwdriver. So it looks like these actually just stay in there, but it's the screws underneath that need to be undone. So there's only two here, and it looks like these are the only two that are holding it onto the platform. Excuse my steady hands. Probably one too many Red Bulls or coffee, either way. Yeah, there it goes. We'll keep them. Okay. And there it is. So let's get rid of this. So I can have a closer look at it. So just looking at it, it's actually, I'm surprised it's got a good amount of weight to it. I actually thought it'd be really light and somewhat cheap, but no, it's actually got quite a fair bit of weight to it. So if you look up close, you can see the detail of the nose cone. Even right down to Max's helmet, which has quite a fair bit of detail in it. And then underneath, but yeah, add some photos so you can see up close what I mean when comparing this to the Spark version. But overall, really happy with that. So I'll do some close-ups.